Hey everyone, it's time to put your Excel skills to the test with the latest GoSkills challenge. With us today is our Excel expert Claudia Buckley. Check out her challenge and good luck.
Hi everyone, welcome to this month's challenge. This table shows monthly business expenses listed by supplier name, the payment terms we've agreed to, and the amounts that we've been invoiced by month. Information like this is great, but it can be overwhelming when you only want to look at expenses in a special category. For instance, what if we only wanted to see suppliers who invoiced us in June, or suppliers who require payment in advance? What about combining more than one criteria? Like if we wanted to see June and July bills that require cash on delivery. I'm kind of excited to share my favorite method for solving this challenge. But I'm also expecting you guys to share a variety of creative methods to work this one out. Can you do it before next Monday? We've got a whole library full of Excel tips and tricks where you can pick up clues or ideas to work on this. So get started.
So, do you have what it takes to successfully complete this challenge? To get started, click on the link in the description and download the files you need. Let us know your progress or any suggestions you might have in the comments section below. Or even better, join the GoSkills Slack channel and chat with other Excel pros about your approach. Link in the description. And if you want to know Claudia's solution, subscribe to this channel. And when we release the solution video, you'll get the full step-by-step rundown of how to solve the challenge. So good luck, everyone.